Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Aditya Patel. Yesterday we are saw what is array list and what is linked list. Today we are saw what is difference between array list and linked list. Array list and linked list are the both implement the list interface and maintain insertion order. Both are non-synchronized classes. However, there are many differences between array list and linked list classes that I will discuss below. First is array list internally uses a dynamic array to store these elements, and in linked list literally uses a doubly linked list to store the element. Second difference is the manipulation with the array list is slow because it internally uses an array. If any element is removed from the array, all the other elements are shifted to the memory in a memory. In linked list, manipulation with the linked list is faster than the array list because it uses a doubly linked list, so no bit shifting is required in memory. Third is an array list class and act as a list only because and in linked list class can act as a list and QA both because of implements list and DQA. Fourth one is array list is the better for storing and accessing data. In linked list is the better to manipulating data. Next is the memory location for the elements of an array list is contiguous. In the linked list, the location for the element of a linked list is not contiguous. Next is generally when an array list is initialized, a default memory of a 10 is assigned to the array list. In the linked list, there is no case of default capacity in a linked list. In a linked list, an empty list is created when a linked list is initialized. Last one is to precise an array list is a resizable array. Linked list implements the doubly linked list in the list interface. We are discussing some important point to remember regarding array list and linked list. First, when the rate of addition or removal rate is more than the read scenario, then go for the linked list. On the other hand, when the frequency of the read scenarios is more than the addition or removal rate, then array list takes a percentage over linked list. Second is since the elements of an array list as stored more compact or compared to linked list, therefore the array list is more cache friendly as compared to the linked list. Thus, chances for the cache miss as less in an array list as compared to linked list. Generally, it is considered that a linked list is poor cache friendly and poor cache locality. Next is memory overhead on the linked list is more to compare to the array list. It is because in a linked list we have to two more links next or previous as it required to store the address of the previous and the next nodes, and these links consume extra space. Such links are not present in an array list. Let's see example. Import.java util class is created as a test array linked public static void main string arg list string al is equal to new array list string. Creating array list al.add ram, al.add vijay, al.add ravi and al.add ajay. In second list strings, al2 is equal to new linked list string. al2.add James, al2.add Senaro, al2.add Swati, al2.add Abhimanyu. System out.print array list al and system out.print array list linked list al2. Output of this program is array list is equal to in array Ravi, Vijay, Ravi, Ajay, etc. and in linked list same as but different as a new object al2 JM Senoro Swati Abhimanyu. Today we are stop here. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.